How to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified error on your app store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, the reason why this app cannot be downloaded is because of its untrusted sources or its untrusted make. So if that's the case, what you'll need to do is first make sure that you have good connected internet. And after you do that, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, let me just go back. Okay, so now after you're on your settings, scroll down and head over to general. After you're on general, scroll down again, and there you should find an option that says VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure that you disconnect it from any connected VPN. If you're not connected to any VPN, it's completely fine. You can then head back. Now what we'll do is we'll head over to our general again, tap on software update. Now update your software to the latest version. If there is an update available, tap on update now and update. After doing that, again we'll head back to our general and then scroll down again. Now there we'll see transfer reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. Now I'll reset all of the settings. Tap on reset all settings and then type in your password. After you type in your password, you will have reset all of your settings, and after you do that, you can then head back. Now what you'll then need to do is search for screen time. Tap on it and scroll down all the way till you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn it on. After you do that, you're basically good to go now, and now you can go ahead and download your app again. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.